You've probably heard of the word derivatives. Futures and options, you've probably heard of F&O. They're all the same thing. So a futures or a forwards contract is an agreement between two parties, and because the spot price is moving, one of them is going to lose and the difference is paid by the loser.
In case of futures and forward, the underlying asset can be a stock, commodity, or a currency.
The biggest challenge for option buyer is what? Theta decay, right? Time value, because the option is like a rotting vegetable.
But what if you come back to the builder after, say, 1 year? Do you think he'll give you that apartment back? In actual market conditions, we usually don't take delivery of the stock. Usually a cash settlement will take place, especially if you exit your futures contract before expiry date. Hi, I'm Prateek Singh. Come learn Intro to Derivatives with me.